Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install the Windows Fax and Scan feature on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. You want to select Apps on the left side, and now on the right side, select Optional Features. And where it says add an optional feature, select this blue view feature button, and you want to go ahead and search for Windows Fax. Best result should come back with Windows Fax and Scan. Go ahead and check mark inside of there and select Next, and then select Install. And it should say installed once it's done. Would suggest restarting your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.